Good morning, students. This is Dr. Vipul Jain once again, and today we are going to discuss about the types of strategies. Now, as you already know that in this time of pandemic, a lot of companies were forced to change or have changed their strategies. But this is a forced change. For example, most of the companies has gone to digitalization, and for example, service industry, one of the things that they did was work from home. Now I can understand in certain things you can go for work from home. In education we have done it. I really don't know what impact it has, whether students are that much receptive. I personally don't feel, but anyways, this is something that we have to work upon. But when it comes to tangibles, production, how do you do that from work from home until you have a robot somewhere in the company, and that robot can, and you have a Wi-Fi or a remote or a technology where you can ask robot to work. That's probably a distant dream in a sense that you can operate those robots. So in future we definitely have to take this into consideration, because this is one pandemic. Something may can come next time, but hope it will never happen, at least for maybe 100 years. But when you come to strategies, as we have done in your strategic management, types of strategies, which are known as grand strategies, and then there are types. One of the strategy that I would like to discuss today is stability strategy. Now, stability strategy in a simple statement is when a particular company wants to maintain its market share or its position or its dominance in the market, if there is any. I have two classic examples, and obviously you can argue and you can counter, as I always say that you should. Let us take an example of Life Insurance Corporation of India. Till the time when we didn't have any privatization, it was the only corporation which used to work in insurance, and primarily their job was in life insurance. So they didn't move into any other field, and they were the leader in it because obviously there was no competition of sorts. Ever since liberalization came in, there were other companies that came in. These other companies came up with insurance. Still, Life Insurance Corporation was miles ahead in premiums because they were there before. But these other companies brought some products with them. They brought equity-linked products. They brought various plans. Now, say if you look at LIC, with the amount of money it has, and it is one of the arm of Indian government, or where it supports the government in various projects, where it invests a lot of money in projects, but it just kept itself into insurance. It didn't diversify. It could have easily gone into probably any other field, maybe general insurance, though we have general insurance companies, so you can say, sir, why would it go? It could have gone up with some other product also. पर उनका एक बड़ा सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट था कि भैया अगर सब कुछ जीवन में ठीक ठाक चल रहा है तो फिर उसे छुओ मत. कहते हैं ना, विनिंग कॉम्बिनेशन. अगर एक टीम जीत रही है एक कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ, तो बेफालतू में डोंट फिंगर, उंगली ना करो फिर कि चेंज कर दिया जी, इसको चांस देंगे जी. नो, इफ द थिंग्स आर गोइंग राइट फॉर यू, डोंट डू एनीथिंग एल्स. LIC always felt that we are doing well in insurance. It's a brand, people believe in it. लोगों को लगता है पैसा हमारा नहीं जाएगा, so they did it. Now, obviously, they feel that they have stabilized themselves, and there's a lot of stability in it, right? उसमें भी स्टेबिलिटी स्ट्रेटजीज में भी अगर आप आगे देखेंगे तो देयर आर अप्रोचेस. एक अप्रोच तो ये है कि भैया जितना प्रॉफिट आ रहा है ठीक है, वी डोंट वांट टू मूव मोर देन इट, वी हैव इनफ, it's the pace. With the definitely more companies coming up, they might have tweaked themselves a bit, पर वो कोई नहीं, जितना आ रहा है ठीक है. Second, they can be cautious, a caution approach. भैया आज ये आ गए, 5 साल 10 साल 15 साल 20 साल बाद they'll come big time. So should we make changes? So they might be thinking about it, but if you look largely at them, they haven't done anything drastic. Forget about drastic. Rather than coming up with some of the products which other private companies have come in ventures, they have not done much. So that's one example. The other example which I love very much, and I've always admired this company and this product, Ambassador car का नाम सुना होगा भाई आपने. साहब, there was a time when we used to see only 2 cars, Ambassador and Fiat. An Ambassador still, if you see, is more of a bureaucrat car. It always was. वो एक कार थी जो टैक्सी में भी चलती थी और उसमें IS भी बैठता था, तो दोनों ही जगह वो कार काम करती थी. पर एक चीज़ जो उस कार ने कभी नहीं की, उसने जो अपना ये मोटा सा पेट गाड़ी का लेके वो आए, दिस रूफ, दे नेवर चेंज इट. भाई साहब, एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट रोता रहा, चीखता रहा, चेंज द शेप, चेंज दिस. दे केम अप विथ मॉडल्स with very slight change. They worked in a closed environment. उनको भी लगा ठीक है भाई, हमारा कंज्यूमर सरकार है, चीज़ें तो बिक रही हैं, वी आर स्टेबल, देयर इज़ नो कंपटीशन. फिर हम टैक्सी में भी बिकते हैं, पूरे भारत में बिकते हैं, कोई कंपटीशन नहीं. फिर कुछ लोग जो राजाओं वाली ज़िंदगी जीना चाहते हैं, जो कि आज भी एम्बेसडर, इट वॉज अ फेवरेट कार ऑफ माई फादर. और मैं आपको कई एग्जाम्पल ऐसे बता सकता हूँ. व्हेन वी हैव हायर्ड अ एम्बेसडर, वाइट एम्बेसडर, washed absolutely clean, nobody stopped it. People thought पता नहीं इसके अंदर कौन है. So again, they worked in a closed environment. उन्हें कोई मतलब ही नहीं बाहर क्या हो रहा. मारुति आई, आने दो भैया, सेल्स बढ़ रही, बढ़ने दो भैया. But they didn't come up with any other car. Today, obviously, you will see that they are not there, and it has almost become something which is of past. But I would admire the way they worked. They could have diversified. It could have been, or would have been very easy for them to come up with cars, small cars, sleek design cars. They didn't do that. So in stability, the other example, you look at IIMs. In initial years and up till now, they specialize in management programs. वो मेडिकल कॉलेज में जल्दी से नहीं जाएंगे. अब आप कह सकते हो सर जाना चाहिए, क्यों नहीं जाएंगे? Well, they will not go because it's not their cup of tea, or even if it could have been their cup of tea, they don't want to have this tea. They are absolutely stable in providing management education. Whereas if you have a university or a college which is giving you various courses, well, let me tell you, they not only compete internally, course versus course, they also compete externally a big way, because a program of yours may be doing well, a program of yours may not be doing well. But when you focus, when you come up with only one program, or as I say, management education, yes, IIMs have expanded, but in management, they were not diversified. So they feel quite stable. Same with IITs. Then there are IITs which provide MBS. It's not that they don't. But tell me, whenever you talk about top-notch institutes of MBS, you only come to IIMs or Jamnalal Bajaj or XLRI, or for that matter MDI. Though you can also talk IIT. You talk IIT that way is a brand. But IIT is a brand for a different course, for a different program. Though somebody would definitely take admission in MBA if a person gets a chance to do from IIT, because then IIT sticks to it, but then MBA is a quite dynamic qualification in a sense that it's your skill set that decides, and institute only decides up to maybe in the few months or in the early stages. So, in stability strategy, what we say is if you're stable, just go with. I'm not saying don't diversify. No, this is not what I'm saying. I am saying there are corporations which go only with the products that they have and a clear domain, LIC, insurance, life insurance, ambassador car, same type of car, IAMS, management education, only management education, and they have stabilized themselves. See, I've always said it's better to be a captain of a team, whether it may be a worse team. It's better to be a captain of a team than to be an extra player in the best team. I hope you got my point. A captain is a captain. जब सारे कप्तान खड़े होंगे ना तो वो भी खड़ा होगा, क्योंकि कप्तान कप्तान है, राजा राजा है. So in stability strategy, keep your market intact. Don't let your competitor come in. And if you are happy with the progress, keep moving it. I'll be soon posting a case on it. And as I always say, you are open to questions anytime in night also, except 3 a.m. in night to 5 a.m. in night. Rest, I'm quite awake. Thank you. Thanks a lot. See you again.